more candidates file nomination from West Karbianglong. Miso Terangpi files nomination from Dhansiri, express hope for guaranteed victory. Party workers welcome party candidate Sarjang Ingti at Korkanti. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. As the deadline for filing of nominations for the upcoming Karbi Anglong autonomous election draws nearer, 3 more candidates from West Karbi Anglong had filed their names on Saturday. Here is a report. All the 3 candidates reached the West Karbi Anglong DC office in the morning and submitted their nominations. Independent candidate Ramsing Ingti had filed nomination from number 1 Duar Amlak constituency. He is a former commander-in-chief of the armed group UPLA. APHLC spokesperson and youth leader Angdong Ingti will be contesting from number 8 Hamren. He is one of the most hopeful candidates of the APHLC party and had been very active in social works even before coming to politics.
Deputy Commissioner Asai Hemalong, nelitum nelipen cheng lok dak Hamren nitum dak lem rabatum pen nomination paper joglo Hamren constituency Aparman. Nasi nomination paper ke joktang edlo lapen nona bangke nitum dak ke jogdun pen election ka cepate dun ke kopia ke manglo la sola ma sini dithan ponpo lasi athi pila mangala hello Karbi Anglong ke lake tribal area mate inglong aratum alongri sita da Karbi Anglong autonomous council mate Karbi Anglong kachari ke lake pini pen kali ha ningkan pharu ke sirke bra phoke bra ise ningkan pen non an ningkan proxy ke bang bongta bang jok abang fu bang jok ke thek sarpota lake tribal te malong lelo inglong rat malong lelo lake bang phan ki pinang ji ke lake kertang no pu jok than bang ave lasi laso putak komano nang Japon pokente nilitum nang litum jong si thurthi putang te komano Japon langente lasi nilitum laso lama thasi pinike APHL sia song pena bangke daksi hamren pensini tum cepate dun po lapen ake mangke helo hamren arara phandet pu bang lilo lake Karbi Anglong arara phansini tum ke lake cepate dun aparmana bangke.
Biren Inghi filed his nomination to contest from one of the most underdeveloped constituencies, number 9 Amreng. He is well known for his journalist who had worked with Cut News as well as several other media houses. He has a long experience of working for the society.
Lada ke ni ke jok bangke la pulo ni ke independent song wepen. Athi muhet pena ni pulo je political party atum ke wang piglo dam piglo development ke claim un deadlo. Lasi bang jok sita ki claim ji aning edo la pen chirok tok lo pote independent penta development akam ang ton pen wan un la pen political along ke la independent power tum ke thepik athe party pen haidal pote high command lamdo party principal lamdo la aning haling ninge longle hada kana ke toy kopima la sining le ista independent atum ke jong si muning aning kan nilion si haidondat plotang te isilam de muning aning kan la rong opilang sopen rong pangbong to warna si patang ti polta nil dharna dot kok thek ni soche jonja ke song ni ka song ni bikok po la sona khaksi along ka preka development ta jong si ave poloten li la sona dhorna pe bikok po la hello independent tuma aja kongang tang seta ruling party ta homate la party long dun peso to a party bang haida pe ruling lo pote la kache thevelo ga jat pulong lelo ki pulo pote party principal karkan pupo ki pulo pote party alam ki kra pol ga next ke than lo lasto ka fere par to puai helo laso pasi independent farm ga pe thinang ji independent fan pa nang ji la an lo te Karbi Anglong ta kaching thur do po
o lalo alangli ge mane senior journalist lo alangli ge hangbadik eklem busami alangli ge joding olo lapen alangli tum alangli long cherap tum lapen alangli je 9 nong Amreng constituency long bangke alangli atok ano lapen inglong hawar penak Amreng constituency bangke lapen lower dado sitame jasimet pera bangke upper mote la middle malom labang solom kasiksak rad atum ko ano ne akisung ke boy pinia ni anda alangli penang an Amreng homostiara usame alangli jungjung men alangli penang an kerap lapen sorkar panda phong tuwar ke hengno penceng long school ka we lapen hada gara tum ko an ma kisung ke boy bangke government han kedamtang kongres sorkar hule puno non BJP sorkar hule puno penang al bangke alangli.
After announcement of candidates, all opposition parties are filing nominations. However, at the time of filing this report, the ruling party BJP is yet to declare the names of their candidates. Daniel Inghi from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live. Independent candidate from number 19 Dhansiri constituency had on Saturday filed her nomination for the upcoming MSc election. She was accompanied to the DC's office by hundreds of her supporters to show their solidarity. Talking to media persons after filing her nomination, Niso Terangpi said that if voted to power, she will work to transform the neglected and deprived Dhansiri constituency. She said that there will be no partiality on the basis of tribe or religion, and every part of the constituency will get equal attention. Despite being adjacent to Diffu, the headquarters of Karbi Anglong, the Dhansiri constituency did not get enough emphasis from the government. Niso said that her main focus will be education, communication, and availing government schemes to the people. Niso admitted that BJP will be her biggest opponent in the election, but she said that she will win with more than 19,000 votes. She asserted that her victory is guaranteed as people from every tribe under Dhansiri had come out in her support.
Human development and claim constantly the hat to get them tank and body pon bomlo la sinone pramang tako ki la dagum Dhansiri ke backward place jehetu litum kene lumbajong pen katibok mai homostilo coefficient tim anpula underdeveloped la si la khai kreni do khai kreni do anta litum kadu ka si do rapet pen song rapet si development na hin claim kon.
The independent candidate further appealed the voters of Dhansiri to cast their votes in her favor to turn their promise into reality. It may be mentioned that Niso Terangpi got the second highest numbers of votes during the 2017 MSc election. Her supporters have said that she is still the most popular among all candidates contesting from Dhansiri. Bikram Crow and Longsadar Ingti's report from Dipu, Karbi Anglong Live. Korkanthi Mandal Congress Committee members gave a warm felicitation to the party candidate Sarjang Ingti at its office a day after the National Party declared its candidate for the ensuing Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election to be held on June 8. The party candidate for the Korkanthi constituency, while speaking at the felicitation event, expressed gratitude to the party for putting their faith on him. He urged upon the party workers for their full and continued support towards reaching the people of the constituency to ensure victory for the party. The party candidate, who is also the son of former HAD Minister Khorsing Ingti, said that their party would fight for the issues faced by the people and employment for educated youths remain at the top of his priority. Meanwhile, Samilangso Block Congress Committee President Padma Ronghang, during his interaction with the media, said that party's decision to nominate Sarjang Ingti for the Korkanthi constituency is fully supported by all members and the people must be proud of having such an individual.
Nasi Sarjang Ingti ke hai non Congress party pe nangat toy ke Korkanthi ra tuma bahami piglo athe hai lo polo tang telang like alang li akesar ason thot Korkanthi ra phanai honji la pen Korkanthi man men si haidun poposi Korkanthi kisung alam ana bang gelang li chini pame ladak litum phanun tengai nang ne Korkanthi rong tin stami alang litum bang ver ladak ajir pi jirpo apuria la tumas tame Korkanthi si dolap ame thang bihiti a he marita ladak selang litum do la si alang li phan haidet pen Korkanthi ra phanang lang lidet na pu bangke ningki bia sapta velo.
Further, the Samilangso Block Congress Committee President said that the party has hopes on him to continue the work and dedication his father has exemplified while serving the people of Korkanthi constituency.
APCC lapen KDCC tumpan thanks lo jenili pandak kor kan thi pen pan ticket nagi pipo engke nono kam body pompo langpo aku cepa hai manji ba ko nili patha tenge nono tenge sonte li senji pu son si cha theklong bom tasim committee tum nili lang lo frang udang la te nili ta frang nili po dak MLA harokat MLA do hudbam ta nili ene pu dakwang bom da theklong bom je hala swatting min sinon ata congress to manche dut thip sikin theklong bom.
Samsing Ingtis report from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.